make sure to follow the schedule which you have made, and give appropriate time to the subject, and don't afraid to solve the grand test.
Hi guys, this is Dr. Pritesh Singh, National Level Surgery Faculty and Faculty of Surgery in the Prep Ladder. With me is Dr. Meet Thododa, who secured 207 marks in FMG December 2021 exam. Congratulations, Meet. Tell us something about yourself.
Thank you so much, sir. I am Meet Thododa, and I am from Gujarat, and I studied my MBBS from the College of Medicine in University of Northern Philippines, and I secured 207 marks in December 2021.
Okay. Please share your exam experience. How was the exam?
For me, it was exam like it was moderate. There are some question was difficult, but overall it was moderate for me.
Okay. And maximum number of questions were from which particular subjects in paper 1 and paper 2?
According to me, to majority of the question from like medicine and the surgery.
Okay.
And OB. Previously, there are questions from PSM, but I think in this year there are compared less questions compared to previous years.
Okay. And please tell us something about your preparation strategy. Means how you started your preparation, actually when you started your preparation.
Actually, I started my preparation about 1 year ago, but it was not consistent. Like before 4 months of the examination, in the August, I started my actual preparation for the 4 months.
Okay.
Yes.
And how much time did you spend on watching videos, and how much time on solving the MCQs?
For me, for watching video, I spent 4 to 5 hours. After that, I revised the note, and after each and every video, I solved the MCQ from the app.
Okay. So first you used to watch video, then you solve MCQs,
yes,
and
sir.
Simultaneously you revise the stuff also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You wanted to tell us something?
Yes, sir. I made my schedule for the how many days I will this much day I will give to medicine, this much day I will give to surgery. Like it was prefixed, so that I can complete my course in the design time, so I cannot skip any subject.
Right. So you were able to follow that schedule strictly. So you were able to complete the subjects in those particular periods.
Not all subject, but I tried to complete all major subject according to my schedule. Okay. And left subject, some minor subject I did from from rapid revision.
Okay. And what was your frequency of solving mock test or grand test?
Mock test or grand test, I give one every week. So actually, I gave one
every week.
Once a week.
Okay.
Yes. Actually, I gave 4 to 5 mock test.
Okay. And what was your score in the mock test?
My score was ranging from 160 to 190.
So always it was above 150.
Yes, always above 150.
Okay. Who are your favorite teachers in the dream team?
In the dream team, Dr. Pritesh Yuar and Dr. Marwa and Dr. Gobind Rai Garg are my favorite teachers.
So what do you like about them?
For you, like for the surgery, I like the most, my favorite question bank from the app was surgery. It was very concise, and it was like the actual framing of the question, like in the exam. For Sir Deepak Marwa, his motivation is always inspiring me, and his slogan like "Keep hammering on." About Doc Gobind Rai, his mnemonics are very helpful for the examinations.
Okay. And what's your favorite feature of PrepLadder app?
Bookmark and the star feature, so I can if some questions are tricky or I miss some questions, so I can bookmark now, and so that I can review in the future.
Okay. At last, please give some advice to the exam going aspirants who are preparing for this June session, some kind of strategies, tips, tricks.
Yeah, sure. So guys, make sure to follow the schedule which you have made, and give appropriate time to the subject, and don't afraid to solve the grant test. Give grant test regardless of the marks. It doesn't matter. It doesn't affect your score in the main examination. It's for your practice. It's not actual exam. And try to follow the schedule, and keep on revising the MCQ. And for the last 15 days, try to solve as MCQ as much as MCQ. And for me, like I experienced that there were some of the previous year questions which asked in this exam. So don't forget to watch the previous year questions. And if you have time, then go for the NEET PG questions. So I found one question from the NEET PG previous year in this session.
Okay, so which books you follow for solving MCQs?
Mainly from the app, and the FMG solution.
Okay.
Was my main reference for the solving. And we did our group discussion, like we have our group in a Telegram, and we are about 10 to 15 friends, and we used to post MCQ in our group, so that we can also practice MCQ made by ourselves, which are also helpful.
Okay. So thank you, Meet. It was a wonderful interactive session with you, and congratulations once again.
Thank you so much, sir.